Both of our hair looks the exact same and we
Baby, I love you.
Great.
No, it's not all like rainbows and Coco Frios and like, you know.
It's been a minute since we last left you guys after that overnight ferry crossing from La Paz to Mazatlan. Since then, we've driven 6 hours south along the coast to a small town called Sayulita. Unfortunately, when we got here, both Eamon and I got really sick, so we checked into a hotel to just rest and recuperate. We also gave Ro his very first shower. We are back in the van and we are ready to hit reset on this trip through Mexico. Good morning, everybody.
I don't think they can see your face.
Oh. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, friends.
Feels so good to be up and awake and not in bed and on the mend.
It's been a difficult few days for the three of us, and we got a lot to catch up on. First things first, this guy is a teenager now. He likes to get into all sorts of mischief.
We have been sleeping in because we have been ill, so seeing the sunrise, getting a good jump start on the day feels so good.
Sorry to everybody, but we did miss last week's upload. We made it to a town called Sayulita, which we had heard had sewage problems, and we intentionally did not swim, but it did still take us out. All three of us. Actually, that's not true. This guy was a terror. Being sick with the dog, and a little puppy, and you got to take him out every couple hours was not that enjoyable, but we're back, we're feeling great. I'm gonna make some breakfast now. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Rojo, sit.
Good boy, mister.
Stay. Well, at least he sat, right? I'm actually pretty excited about today because we don't have any kind of plan. Well, the only thing we have planned is we need to take Rojo to the vet because the kid is still diarrheaing and it's been 3 weeks. So that, no, maybe not 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
And I don't like that you just said it like that, like we haven't done anything about it.
Oh no, we've done lots about it. And we appreciate your recommendation of pumpkin, but to the person who can come to places we've been in Mexico and find canned pumpkin, good luck. It doesn't exist. Coffee, breakfast, vet.
So typically Eamon and I would not be dining out for breakfast. We like to make our tea and breakfast at home, but we figured we'd give this guy... Pardon?
Tea or coffee?
No, we're on tea now.
Oh, good.
Did you order coffee?
No.
Neither did I.
Oh, good. I thought you did.
No, we thought we'd get this guy some leash training in this morning, get him really tired out because we need to take him to the vet, and Buddy wants to kiteboard, and it's not really fair to me if he's all... and you're not around. So yeah, we're gonna stop here, have a little, and journey on.
Good boy, Rojito.
Oh, by the way, people think you don't know that the J is silent when you say that. You know it's Rojito, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You guys probably already know this, but the real reason we're at a cafe, we gotta use their facilities.
Now we're heading back to the van to have some overnight oats and make our own chai.
Oh yeah, I forgot we said that.
Black tea wasn't quite exactly what I was looking for this morning. And the reason we're in Bucerias is this is a kiteboarding town. So we gotta get Buddy out on the water today.
It's a kiteboarding town as long as there's wind, and we're not sure if there's wind.
Well, let me check.
It's a little unpredictable.
Feels like zero wind right now.
It might pick up in the afternoon.
Sometimes
I just want to snuggle you to death. Can I snuggle you? Can I snuggle you?
I'm pretty stoked. We found this amazing Forger's yogurt, and so we made like this huge thing of overnight oats. I'm probably gonna eat it all. Hey!
Sit!
Boy, Mr. Sweetface.
You gonna show him how to fetch?
Yes! You ready, Raul?
Alright, here's your breakfast, baby.
Go get the ball. Go. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy.
Yeah, buddy!
This looks 5-star. Got banana, apple, kiwi, hemp hearts.
It's actually the best thing I've ever had.
That's really good.
Yeah. Hey, Beck.
Hey, babe.
What % of the time do you think you overflow your chai and spill it everywhere?
Listen, there's a saying. There's no use crying over spilt chai, baby. But yeah, probably 90% of the time.
Yeah, she
I get distracted. I'm thinking about
chai.
Rojo.
Yeah. To overflow. It's
Also,
not a huge
I just
deal.
want to say,
Yeah.
I love being the most positive person, and I know that Buddy loves it too. And the past week has been terrible. Negative. Yesterday, I was probably the worst version of myself. And it's not that I don't want to show you guys that on camera, because I do want to share that side of it too, but we literally were so low that I couldn't even pick up a camera. So just know that, like, no, it's not all like rainbows and coco frios and like, you know.
That we're gonna title this video. It's not all rainbows and coco frios. I love that.
Sometimes you spill your chai. Yesterday,
Sometimes you can't even hold your head.
Here's how I would describe it. Yesterday, if this happened to me, I literally would have sat on the floor and cried.
100%. Yesterday, we had to get water. So we went into a grocery store and I took longer than expected because I found some epic things like this cashew yogurt. And I came out and Becca was crying on the sidewalk, so upset that I left her in the hot car.
What are you telling her?
I'm telling her that you were an emotional wreck yesterday.
I know. Baja, California.
Super positive and cheerful today, though.
Listen to my song, everybody. Rojo,
Rojo,
our little perrito.
Oh, no, it's
our pequeño perrito. Born is the king.
Buddy.
Baja, California, sir. I think eye contact is very important with dogs. So every morning I try to look him in the eyes and tell him I love him. Rojo, I love you. Okay, he doesn't like it though.
Heck, you do that to me too.
Baby, I love you.
Come here, baby. Come here. Look him in the eye.
I love you, boys. Boy number 1, Ro, I love you.
What boy do you like better?
Boy number 2, depends on the mood, babies.
Also, you guys might notice a few new toys around the house. We went on a shopping spree. Got him all different textured toys. You guys want to see his #1 favorite toy? There it is. Oh, get the shorts out of his mouth.
No, hey.
He loves that bowl.
By the time it hits 11 o'clock, it is so steamy inside. So we're gonna make the bed, clean up inside, and then we're gonna do a family swim at the beach.
Yay! Family swim at the beach.
Big wave coming.
Hola. What is it?
Limón con chía y maracuyá granada.
Ah.
Agua.
It's
What
like
is it?
just agua with chia seeds
Oh.
and con
Maracuyá.
Granada. Oh, granada.
You want one?
I'm good.
Oh, gracias.
Gracias. Buenos días.
Huh? If you're a good boy, you might get to have a lick.
Good boy. Good boy.
See it?
These guys are professionals. Siete?
Yeah, siete.
Siete.
Come on, buddy, you're welcome.
Rojo has inflamed intestine, so he was given something up his bum, or like on his
No.
beside his bum and knee.
Oh, yeah.
And then he took a pill as well. What's
Here's the
scary
catch.
about what we were just told is we can't bring Rojo outside until we come back to the vet tomorrow. Do you guys know what this he's like if he's not outside? Boy, it's a good thing he's tired today. because exercise can be really like hard for the intestines to heal. So we need him to deflame his intestines and feel all better. He was such a good boy.
Very concerned what this means for the livelihood of us tonight. Let's go.
Good boy, sweet boy.
Okay, well this thing looks like the best thing I've ever had in my life.
The drink or the food?
Cold drink with lemon.
Cold drink with lemon. We're back at the van. We're gonna have some lunch. We actually have leftovers from dinner the other night, which are our fresh spring rolls. So we use these, we dip them in some lukewarm water, and then we just put whatever fresh or cooked ingredients. We normally do a little bit of tofu, mushroom onion mix with fresh peppers, mango, oh yeah, mango. And then this is the bomb sauce. What's in the sauce?
I actually need a plate. Actually I used almond butter today, but you could use peanut butter, ginger, soy, and maple syrup in the blender with like fresh ginger. It's unreal. No!
Good boy.
I know these things never look amazing, or it's very hard to get them to look amazing, but they are, especially when it's like really hot. It's nice to have a nice, fresh, cold option. Rojo down. You see that wind? She's a gustin'. Woo, let's go. So welcome to Bucerias. This is now turned into a kiteboard channel. Just kidding. If you're getting sick of the kite stuff, let me know in the comments. We'll do less. I try and keep it really kind of quick and snappy. I'm gonna do a little bit of clips on the GoPro. We're gonna set it up, go for a session, and then meet the girl and boy. I was gonna say girls, but he's a boy. Back at the van. Hit it.
I can't wait. I'm sure Eamon is detailing it in the GoPro, but from shore it looks like he's not having the best time. The wind is a little gusty and a little light, so I gotta get back to row. Can't worry too much about him. Hey babe.
Hey dude.
How'd you go?
I was underpowered.
Yeah.
Figured?
Well, I saw you kind of going downwind.
Yeah, it was and then it like died, and now it seems like it's
so
gusting.
Windy, yeah.
So, not the best session, but you always learn something when you go out there.
At least you get to come home to a pretty cool family, huh?
Yeah, pause up for that.
Okay, so here's the deal, guys. We've made it to the grocery store, and we want to start testing the boundaries with leaving the dog alone. We've realized that most people have normal jobs and would have gone to work even though they had a puppy. Maybe they'd take a few days off to get the puppy situated, but they'd be gone for at least a few hours. This little Nino hasn't left our sight for
Ever.
Yeah, since we sleep.
And it's 7 p.m. Like the sun is definitely not strong. It's windy. We feel good about like the state of the van, so we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna leave a little secret hidden camera. Don't tell Rojo. Rojo, stay. Hi, buddy. Rojo, it's fine. Hi. Wow. What happened, guys? Oh, battery's dying. Great. Let's quickly tell them that we're having dinner. It looks delicious. We were craving pesto, but they didn't have basil, so we ended up with like an Italian style shebang shaboom. Very good job, Beck. Beck, this is all Beck. I made the dressing, but she did the work and came up with the inspiration.
Thank you. Just so everyone knows, like, we've been really sick, as we said, so we're feeling like we've had a full day. It's 8 p.m. even though it's still light out, so we're just kind of
a little drained.
A little drained.
Bikini drained. If the vlog's starting to go downhill, that's why. Also, little Pero finally starting to sleep.
Yeah.
Whew, thank goodness we got 2 minutes of dinner here.
This is good.
Yeah? What would you give it out of 10?
I was just like so craving pesto, so.
Yeah.
But
It's a strong 6.
I That's at least a 7.58.
No. There's no way.
Can you focus? He's really having a hard time focusing, so that's why we're gonna sign off the vlog tonight, and we will catch you guys in the early morning to check up on Ro and, you know, just keep the story going. That made no sense.
This kind of stuff's my jam. When boys are doing stuff at backwoods.
You waste so much data watching ridiculous things. Okay. Wanna say goodnight?
Oh. Oh, that was a good one. I gotta show them this one. Oh.
Good morning, everybody! If you hear some weird music in the background, we're just on hold with our web provider for our tea business. We just had pancakes for breakfast, and these are the leftovers. You guys interested in coming over for some leftovers? And some dancing to the music. You can tell that you and I are both exhausted of trying to...
Oh, did you just fart? Or did you just poo? Did you just poo? That fart.
Babe, I was just gonna comment on the fact that both of our hair looks the exact same, and we... Look at us! Oh, we do smell like a Rojo poop!
Yeah.
Because we can't bring Rojo outside, he's on house arrest, our #1 priority for the day is bringing him back to the vet to get him to take off this house arrest band.
No, I know. In the video here, he looks very calm. He just woke up from a tiny nap.
Yeah.
But the entire morning was complete chaos.
What?
What?
How do I get out of here?
Is there some behind you?
Not like right behind me, but behind me. I do like a 12-point turn? Like back up and then out and then out and then out?
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
You're not filming me. You wouldn't be filming me, would you?
No. Just getting a B-roll.
How was Rojo today? His poops were
Much
so
better.
good. Yeah? But he asked us not to bring him outside, so he was very crazy because
Very crazy.
very hard to keep him not going outside.
It's like melting or it's more...
It's better. It's like soft stool. We got some new stuff to add to his food. He got another shot, and then we got a cup to do a poop test. So we're getting there. Bye.
Bye bye. Let's go, Rojo. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.
To summarize, we have hit reset on our lives, and we are hopefully feeling better. Are we feeling better, you and me? We're getting there.
We're getting there.
And Rojo, we are hopeful to as well. So we've got poop samples to take for him, and we'll keep you guys posted along the way. Thank you so much for sticking with us in our little hiatus period, and yeah, we're excited to be back.
To be back to a high energy vlog in the next one. Okay.
Check you next time.
Bye.
So hard to see from the moment